invitation, no? Great. Thank you. Yeah. So, Gokul, he joined the YouTube class. So, చాలా చాలా Right. So, can you hear me, all of you? All of you guys are able to hear me, right? All of you, please give reply. So, are able to hear me? Right. So, good evening, guys. Today we'll start a new concept that is variables. Variables, guys. Okay. We'll start about variables in today's class. So, what is a variable? All of you observe. See, generally we know the definition is variable is a reserved reserved memory location, right? Reserved memory location, guys. Variable is a reserved memory location. Memory location. Okay. This is what definition we know. Variable is a reserved memory location. What does it mean, sir? What is the meaning of a reserved memory location? What is the meaning of reserved memory location? Right. I'll give an example here. I'll give an example. Suppose let's take one variable. Suppose mobile, guys. Variable is mobile, and I am giving some mobile number. I am giving some mobile number like this. All of you, right? So I'm assigning a value to variable, and run this one. If run this one, then you know what happens here. Internally, okay. So the interpreter, all of observe here, executes this line, right? This line. At that time, it takes the value assigned to variable mobile. The interpreter takes the value assigned to variable mobile, right? That means it allocates some space for variable mobile, guys. This is memory. In that memory, this is what here memory, okay? Memory. In this memory, okay, it allocates some space for this variable. And what's variable name? Variable name is mobile, guys. Variable is mobile, and here it will save the value. What is the value given here? This is value, right? Okay. So In this case, what happened here, whenever this line executed internally, means the value assigned to variable, right? Variable, then immediately the variable occupies some space in memory. Okay, and this space it occupied why to save the value, and later the same value can be used, guys. So for saving purpose, the same time later we also can use the same value. Okay, that's why. So a variable is what here? Reserved memory location, guys. A variable is the name of reserved memory location. Reserved memory location, guys. All of you. A variable is a reserved memory location. That location is used to save the data and use the same data later to perform different operations. Okay, that's the full definition of variable. So a variable is a reserved memory location. So which is used to save the data and the same data can be used. Same data can be used. All of you. A variable is a reserved memory location which is used to save the data, and the same data can be used later. Why that use later here? To perform different operations, guys. Different operations. I love you. This is the full definition of variable. A variable is a reserved memory location which is used for saving the data, and the same data can be used later to perform different operations. Okay, right. So in other languages, guys, how to define a variable? There are two steps, right? All of you. In other languages, we define a variable in two steps. The first step is variable declaration, right? All of you. Variable declaration, and then value assignment, right? Value assignment. So in other languages, these two steps we follow to work with variable, to create a variable. First, declare the variable with a proper type, and then value is given. Suppose, let's take for example, a is integer, then a will be assigned some integer value like this. Allah observe. First, what is there here? Variable declaration means we are declaring a variable with a proper type, guys. With the proper type. That is called what here? Variable declaration. Once the type is declared of a variable, then that variable must be given the value. That means for that variable we give the value, guys. We give the value. So this value must be based on the given type, guys. This value must be same as a given type. The given type is integer type, right? Integer type. So it should be integer value only. Suppose I am taking here something stringer. Then and here we must give some string value only. Some string value only. All of you, right? So here first one variable declaration, the second one what here? Value assignment, guys. The second one is what? Value assignment. Suppose a is given the string. If I give different type, like suppose I am giving the 100, okay, so in that case it will give the error. Why error? Because we specified what here? A must be integer, right? So stringer. A must be stringer. Okay, and here I am giving what here? Integer value. I am giving what? Integer value. So it will give error, guys, right? But in Python, so two steps are not there. Only one step. In Python, only one step. That means in Python, which one? The step is not there, guys. The step is not there. Variable declaration is not there. All of you. In Python, variable declaration is not there. Only directly value assignment only. So here we must give only string value, right? Only string value, hello, or else again yeah, you can take the hi, right? Like this only possible. But in Python not like that. In Python not like that, guys. In Python not like that. Okay, very simple in Python. Directly what we do, we give the value, guys. Directly we assign the value. Suppose a equal to 10. That's all. Or we don't need two steps, all of you. In other languages, two steps required. But in Python language, only one step on. That is what here directly value assigned here. Directly we assign the value. In Python language, directly we assign what here? We assign the value, guys. Directly assign the value here. All of you guys, small miscommunication. Actually, they shared a link, right? Okay, live link we shared, but while configuring the link, some mistake happened, guys. While link is creating, some mistake happened. That's why that link is not opened, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, Bhaskar. While link is creating, they added as a not streaming software. They added as mobile. Okay, it won't repeat again. Bhaskar. Right. So in Python, let me know what happens here. The value directly we give to the variable, guys. We give to the variable directly. Okay. So then we have a doubt now, sir. In the above case, we say that A is a string type. A is a string type. Why we specified manual is string? But here, what is the type of A, sir? We are not giving a integer, a float like that. Then what is type of A, sir? Right? Yes. In Python, the type of variable will be decided at runtime dynamically, guys, not at development time. At runtime they decide dynamically by interpreter, not by the developer. All of you. In Python language, the type of variable is decided by interpreter based on the value, at runtime. Suppose now, what is the type of A here? In this case, integer, right? It is int value. It is a int value. Suppose I am giving again A equal to 1.5. See, the same A variable here, it is integer type. Which type? Integer type. The same A here, which type? This one, this is the float type, guys. Which type? Float type. So the same A changing here, but in Python, in other language, not like that. So you can take the A multiple times, but multiple times you give the same value only. Why? We specify very strongly A is a string type. A is a string type. But here manually we are not deciding A is string, A is float like that. Like this we are not doing in Python. That's why we can give any value, not the same value, guys. You can give any value. You can give any value. Okay. So here, what is the type element now? In this case, the type is integer. In this case, what is the type of A? It must be float. And again, A equal to, let's go different value now. I am giving the bool value. Type is what? Type is the bool type, guys. Again, A equal to, I can give same some complex number. What is type here? Type is complex type. Okay. Again, A equal to, let's take some string value. Which type? This one here again, here string type. That's all. All right. See, the same variable accepting all types of values, guys. Accepting all types of values, and the type also keep on changing for same variable. But in Python, in other languages, that's not possible. That's why Python is a okay, dynamically typed language, guys. Python is what? Dynamical typed language. Other languages, maybe C, C++, Java, .NET, they are statically typed language, guys. All of you. Only Python dynamical language. The other languages, what we know, C, C++, Java, .NET, they are statical typed. They are also almost same format, right? Either take the C++, Java. So first we have to declare the variable, right? All of you. Maybe here the syntax may be different, guys, but we have to compulsory declare the variable. All of you. Maybe the declaration syntax may be different in other languages, but it is mandatory. It is mandatory. It is compulsory. It is compulsory, guys. All of you. Right or wrong, guys? Let me know. It is compulsory in other languages. Either C, C++, Java, .NET, it is compulsory, but Python not required. In Python, it is not required. It is not required. All of you guys, let me know. Am I right or wrong, guys? All of you. All of you, let me know. All of you, let me know. Am I right or wrong? Let's give reply. Muhammad Riaz. Please give reply, guys. In other languages, other means, remember again, I'm talking about C, C++, Java, and .NET, or C sharp. In other languages, this is the compulsory. This is compulsory. In Python, that is not required. That is not required. That is not required. Right? Yes, that's why here see the same variable allowing all types of values, guys, right? All types of values, all types of that's why it's called what dynamically typed language. Dynamic means what? Give any value, no problem. Maybe same variable, give any value, no problem. Give any value, no problem. That's called the dynamically typed. But in other languages, any value not allowed. It allows as per the declared type, guys. As per the declared type only. It allows as per the declared type only, guys. Okay, all of you guys. Right. Now let us try. Let us try now. Let us try, all of you. I'll open ideally. I show it now. One second, guys. Right. Now observe here. I am taking the variable A. Variable A. Observe, guys. Now what do I do? I take the same variable with different values, guys. Okay, the different values. Okay. So I am going to give now A equal to 10, right? Observe now print of A. Print of A. See, next one type, guys. Type of A. Type of A. Use the type of the variable. See, integer type. ID of A. ID means use address of variable, guys. Every variable supports these three basic functions. Which one? Print, type, ID. Print means it gives the value of variable. Type means it gives type of variable. ID means it gives the address of variable. Address of variable, right? Okay. Now what do I do here? I am going to take now same variable, guys. Same variable. I am giving 1.5. I am giving 1.5. Then again now print of A. See now type of A and ID of A, guys. ID of A. All of you observe here. All of you observe now. I am taking the same variable or the new variable, right? I am taking here same variable. Same variable. Okay, value changing, right, guys? Value changing here. Value changing. Okay, again same variable. Let's take some bool value. Bool value means either true or false. And again print of A, then type of A, again idea of A, guys. Idea of A. All of you, right? Again same variable but different value. 2 plus 3 is a complex number. Then print of A, then again type of A, again idea of A, guys. And last one. So I take some string value Python like this. Again print of a, then type of a, again ID of a, guys. That's all of you. All of let me know, guys, are able to see my screen. Online, guys. Okay. So if you observe the five types of values given to same variable, right? The five types of values given to same variable. That's why I'm saying that Python is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language. All of you are clear now, right? So in how many ways you can assign the values, sir? In how many ways you can assign the value? There are different ways are there, guys. In different ways we assign the values, sir. All of you observe here. So different ways to assign the values, okay. Different ways to assign the values, guys. What is the first way means? As assigning one value to one variable, guys. This is the first way. That's the basic way. Assigning a one value to one value to one variable, guys. That's the basic way. The second one is the second one is the second one is assigning, okay, multiple values, okay, multiple values to multiple variables, okay, to multiple variables, guys. Second way. Third way is assigning one value to multiple variables. The last one is assigning multiple values to one variable like that. In different ways we assign the values, guys. What's first one? First one is one value to one variable, okay, one variable, guys. All of you, one value to one variable, okay. Next one, second one is what here, assigning multiple values to multiple variables, guys. Third one is assigning one value to multiple variables. The last one assigning multiple values to one variable, guys. One variable. So these are the four ways to assign the values to variables. Assigning one value to one variable, multiple values to multiple variables, one value to multiple variables, and multiple values to one variable, okay. Right, now let's see the first way, guys. All of you observe now. Let's see the first one. The first one is, see, I am taking now name equal to, for example, Narayana, okay. So in this case what happened here, see, all of you observe now. In this case what happened here, one value given to one variable at a time, right? One value given to one variable at a time in one line. That's all. Next what can I do here? Again, email equal to, let's take Narayana at gmail.com, guys. Again, one value to one variable at a time in one line. Again, let's take one more. Suppose mobile equal to like this. There also one value to one variable at a time in one line. And let's take suppose location, or let's take suppose institute equal to, I'm taking now suppose Narayana Tech House like this, guys. Right. See, all of you. So what is happening here? At a time I am giving one value to one variable, guys. So here we have four values, so given to four variables in four lines. All of you. So four values are there. I have taken the four variables, okay. But how many lines taken here? Four lines taken. How many lines are? Four lines taken. For example, let's take there are 50 values are there. 50 values are there. Then I'll take 50 variables, okay. But in this process, it takes 50 lines, sir. 50 lines, sir. I don't want that much lines for variables. Then we go for what? Second way, guys. What second way? Assigning multiple values to multiple variables at a time in a single line. Multiple values to multiple variables. Okay, multiple variables, guys. Let's try this one now. So I am going here. See, first name variable, then email variable, and mobile variable, and let's take suppose institute variable, guys. Okay, institute variable like this. If you want take more also, let's take suppose location also. I am taking now. That's all. Now, how many variables are there here? How many variables are there? Five variables are there. How many variables? Five variables. Okay, so in this case, our first variable name is there. I am giving the name Narayana like this. Okay, but second variable email is there. For email, I give suppose email I am giving here hi at gmail.com. Okay, next one mobile. I am giving the mobile. All of you, this actual ideal running very slow. Okay, thank you. Right. Mobile. Mobile. Let's take. You can take same numbers, different numbers, guys. No rule. Then institute string value, right? We keep the codes. All of observe. No, extra string over, right? String means we keep what here codes. Okay. Hyderabad like this. Now, how many variables are there? Five variables are there. How many values are there? Five values are there, right? So even though one value going to one variable only, but in a single line all over, right? All of you in a single line all over, in a single all over. That's all. If you want to check, see print of name. What is the name? What is the name here? All tell me now. What is the name? So name is first variable. It takes first value, right? It takes the first value only. It takes the first value only. So print of email. Email is the second variable in this order. Take the second value only. Hi. Then print of mobile. Mobile is the third variable. Takes third value. That's all. Print of institute. Institute is the fourth variable in the order. It takes the fourth value only. Then print of what here location, right? Print of location. Location is the fifth variable in the order. It takes the fifth value only. That's all of you, right? So this is the way assigning the multiple values to multiple variables in one line, guys. In one line. Now you may have doubt. Sir. I am taking the five variables, sir, but I give the only four values, sir. Okay, I'm taking the five variables, but I give the only four values, sir. Any problem? Means the number of variables, number of values, I take the not same order, not the same number. Okay, that means I'm taking now. That's all, guys. All of you. Now, how many variables are there here? Five variables are there, right? How many variables are five variables? How many values are there? Four values are there. You can see now. You can see now all of it, right? It is not possible. So means to perform this one, number of variables plus number of values must be same. Must be same. The number of values should not be more or less than the number of variables. Then only this which one that matching is possible, guys. Okay, all of you. This is second way. This is what second way. Now third one, what here? What is third one? Assigning one value to multiple variables. All of you. So only one value, but giving to what here? Multiple variables. Giving to multiple variables. Very simple example. Right. So observe all of you. Suppose my hometown, my study location, two variables are hometown, study location, plus I will take working location and also favorite location. All are Hyderabad only, like this. All are which one? Hyderabad only, like this. All of you. Now you can observe here. One value, right? And how many variables are there here? Multiple variables are there. Multiple variables are there. In this case, all of you observe, yes. Okay, check it now. Print of hometown. What is the hometown? What is the hometown? Yes, Hyderabad. Okay, very good. Print of yes location. Yes, very good. Then print of working location. Yes, very good. Then print of favorite location. Yes, Hyderabad. That's all. All of you. Right, means at a time I am giving one value to multiple variables, guys. One value to multiple variables. Multiple variables. And here one shortcut is there, guys. What does that means? This is what here ideally shell, right? This is what ideally shell. In ideally shell, if you create any variable, any variable, okay. So if you want display the value of variable, at that time print is optional. Print is not required. Directly you can take a variable name only, guys. Variable name only. Suppose I am giving here Python Narayana like this. All of you. So if you want to display the value, generally I use what here print of name. That's common thing. But extra thing is no, not required printer. Directly use the name. Directly use the name. Click enter. That value will come, guys. Value will come. When you use the name, only name without variable, without print function, it gives with quotes also. With quotes also it gives, guys. All of you. Any variable, not only string value, it can be integer value, float value, bool value, complex any value. Okay, if you want display, print is commonly we use. Without print also, you can use directly variable name only. Then displays the value also, guys. Displays the value also. For string, displays quotes also. Okay, all of you, right? So now, what is over here? Tell me, what is our assigning one value to multiple variables over? Okay. Then, what's the fourth one? Last one, guys. Assigning multiple values to one variable. Reverse, guys. Previously, one value to multiple variables. Okay. But now, multiple values to one variable, guys. Multiple values to one variable. Okay. One variable. Yes. All of you observe. I am taking now my data, guys. All of you, I am taking what here? I am taking now my data. My data equal to my data means first I am taking my name, string value, quotes. Okay. Then suppose my salary 10,000. Okay. Then my mail ID Python Narayana at gmail.com. Gmail.com. Okay. Institute name NTH. Okay. Next one, I am giving my hometown. Hometown is Hyderabad. Okay. Next, what values are there? You can give all the values, guys. All of you, right? So if you observe here, only one variable taking. For one variable, we are giving the multiple values, right? For one variable, we are giving the multiple values, guys. All of you. Now click enter. We can see now. We can see here print of what here? My data. Print of my data. See, all values are there. All values came as it is, but within the parenthesis. Within what here? Within the parenthesis, guys. Within the parenthesis. All of you. So in Python, parenthesis represent tuple, guys. Represent what? Tuple. Tuple means see, actually we have the next concept, that is, guys, next concept. There we have list, tuple, set, and dict. Before that, string, like that. Some concepts are there. Those are called data structures. Data structures. So that is the next concept that we see later. So here tuple means it's collection of elements enclosed by parentheses. List means what here? Same, collection of elements enclosed by square brackets. Set means what here? Collection of elements enclosed by curly braces. Dict also collection of key value pairs enclosed by curly braces. and string means we know set of characters enclosed by quotes, right? All of you. Now here parentheses are there for which one? For tuple, right? For tuple, guys. That's why now the type of my data type of my data will be tuple type, guys. Which type came? Tuple type came. Tuple type, guys. All right. So what happened here? Set of values, collection of values given to one single variable without any brackets. Okay. Now we have a doubt, sir. Here all values assigned to variable, right? Okay, fine. Suppose I want display name, sir. How it's possible, sir? I want display name. How it's possible, sir? Yes, very simple. Actually, for these all data structures, guys, mainly for string, for list, for tuple, we have index numbers concept. Index numbers like first index number 0, first one 0, okay. Next one 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? And backward -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Like that index number concept is there, right? Starting what? 0, right? Starting 0. So my data of 0, in my data at 0 plus what is there? Narayana. Then Narayana will come like this, guys. Or my data of at 1. So starting 0, what next one? 1, next 2, 3, 4, like that. Now I'm taking here 1. What is the 1? Like that, 10,000. Or next my data of 2. What is the 2? See there. Of 3. What is the 3? Yes. Of 4. What is the 4? Like this, all over. If you come the backward means by giving the -1, guys. I am giving the -1. What's -1? HYD means this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like that. So about this one, guys, we see very clearly in the coming concept data structures. Okay, the backward, forward, a lot of types are there here like this. NTH came 3 means -3, -4, okay, and then -5, like this. Right? So finally, what happened here? Multiple values assigned to one variable. That is what done just now. All of you are clear on this one. In different ways to assign values to variables, guys. Values to variables. All of you let me know, guys. Everybody's clear this one? All of let me know. Everybody's clear, right? All of you guys. All of let me know. Everybody's clear, right? All of you guys. And in a simple way, guys, in a simple way to describe a variable, all of you observe now. In a simple way to describe a variable, okay. See, guys, very simple. Today my laptop running little slow. I don't know why. Right. So in simple way, guys, all of you observe. In simple way to define, this variable. A variable is like a bank account, guys. Bank account. A variable is like a bank account. Sorry, a memory, right? When you create, if you want to save the money in the bank, if you want to save the money, if you want to save the gold ornaments or any bonds, what we do, we go to bank, we open the account, right? If you open the account, then they allocate a locker for us. They allocate a locker for us. In that locker, you can deposit. Later, you can withdraw. Later, you can withdraw. Same like variable also. Okay, so we can save the data in a variable and later you can withdraw the data also, guys. All of right. In a variable is like a bank locker. A bank locker. In a variable, why do we use to save the data and use the data? The bank locker also, why do we use to save to keep our ornaments or bonds? Later we use those things again, guys. A simple words. Okay, right. So fine, guys. It's about what here? Variable. Okay, variable. Right. Now let's go with one more thing, guys. One more thing. Yes, yesterday, end of the session, we stopped with one concept, right? What is that one? All of you guys, all of you. Right. One friend asking the one doubt, that is Muhammad Riaz. The doubt is, Allah observe here, the doubt is, see, I am using actually here my data of 0, right? 0, it's coming. Now the doubt of our friend Muhammad Riaz is, sir, can I use brackets like this, sir? Can I use brackets like this, sir? Right? Riaz. The doubt is, sir, instead of square brackets, can I use a parenthesis as a to use index number, right? Okay, so we can't use a parenthesis. Riyaz, are clear now? Yes, Vijay Lakshmi. Right. Yesterday concept was which one? Case styles, right? Case styles. Okay, right. So tell me, guys, now how many types of case styles are there? How many types of case styles are there, guys? How many types are there? All of you guys, how many types of case styles are there? Bhaskar, Vaishal Rajput. How many types of case styles are there? Generally, we know two types, right? We know two types. Okay, that is one is like lower case. Okay, the second is what here uppercase, guys. This is what we know generally. This is what we know generally. Which one? Lower case and uppercase. And yesterday I also given the names, right? I also given the names. Those names are tell me now, all of you. Next one, Pascal case. Pascal case, yes. Next, camel case. Next, snake case, and then kebab case. Like that, there are different types of cases are there. Different types of cases, guys. Now, how to write each one, sir? Generally, guys, we all know lowercase, uppercase, right? We all know very well lowercase and uppercase. Okay. So I'll take one string value. I'll take one string value of Misa, one collection of characters. I'll show you in all the cases, guys. In all the cases, right? Let me take here, for example, I take a collection of words so that you can easily differentiate between these all. We we love Python language. We love Python language. How many words are there? All of you, how many words are there? Tell me now. There are 4 words are there. We love Python language. How many are there? 4 words are there. 4 words are there. Okay. Now I wrote all in the lowercase, guys. That is what here lowercase. Okay, very good. Now the next one, I'll go with the uppercase. Same uppercase here. So we love Python language. Python language. We love Python language. See, lowercase over and uppercase also over. Right? Now the main part is Pascal case, guys. The main part is Pascal case. Actually, in the real time, any subject, guys, any subject, either Python, Java, whatever it is, when you write the variables names are I told yesterday identifiers like variables names, classes names, functions names, or arrays names, methods names. These all names generally we don't use lowercase or full uppercase. If it's one word name, okay, no problem. If it's a 2-3 words name, collection of 2-3 words, at that time we don't use the lowercase, uppercase, guys. We should use either Pascal case or camel case or snake case mostly. Pascal, camel, snake case. The real time, this is what we follow. When if the name contains two or more words, if only one word is there, simply you can take the lowercase also. Whenever the name contains two words, three words, or a number of words at that time, we should not use the lowercase, we should not use uppercase, we use either Pascal, camel, and snake. Why, sir? Yes, you find the difference now, observe clearly. You find the difference, observe clearly, all of you. Right. So Pascal means here in every word first letter we write in the uppercase, guys. In every word first letter we make in the uppercase. Every word first letter. What's first word? V. V means capital W, small e. That's all. But second word love, capital L remaining small. Okay. But next one Python, capital P remaining small. Okay. Next language, capital L remaining small. Okay, that's all. This is what Pascal case. Pascal case, guys. Pascal case. All of you. Okay. Next, camel case means camel. Camel case means same like above Pascal case only, guys. That is second word onwards. Only first word some difference is there. Only first word some difference between Pascal and camel. Second onwards same as it is. What is the difference means in camel case? Entire first word will be lowercase only, guys. Entire first word, that means V, full lowercase only. Second word onwards same like Pascal, like again first capital and again capital like this. All of you can observe the difference here. Difference between Pascal and camel. So only first word, see here everyone first at uppercase, right? Okay, and here that will be in the lowercase, guys. All of you observe. This is what here uppercase and lowercase. Can observe difference now. Uppercase is there, lowercase is there. First word of both. The second onwards both are same, guys. Second word onwards both are same. Both are same. That is what a camel case. Next one. Sorry, guys. Snake case. Snake means using the underscore. Between every two names. Suppose V underscore love underscore Python underscore language. Using the underscore. The underscore, okay. Right. Next one, kebab case. Kebab case means using the hyphen, guys. Using the hyphen. Okay. Suppose V hyphen means it comes middle of the letter, right? Middle of the letter, guys. Hyphen. V love, okay. Python, then language. Python language. That's all. So these are the different cases of. This is not a Python concept, guys. This is general concept. Because the real time any language we use, we must follow these cases, guys. It's very important. We must follow these cases. All of you guys are clear now. Suppose, let me take one more example, guys. One more example. All of you, let's take one more example in all the cases. I will take my first my first batch. I'm taking, guys, different name. My first batch. Okay, and here and my first batch like this. All of you. For example, I'm saying this is not my first batch, guys. All of you. Don't think that this is my first batch. No, it's not my first batch. Okay, why I'm taking this name is so many names taken already, guys. See, all of you, if you observe these numbers, you can see these numbers, right? 53,108. This line number means Before this one, in this file, I taken the lot of names for this concept only. Like Narayantic House, I live Narayana, okay, or else Narayantic House, Hyderabad, Python language, lot of examples over. That's why I'm trying for different name. So don't think that sir first batch Python, this batch only, sir applying a knowledge on us only. Not like that, guys. Okay. Next one, Pascal case. Pascal means what here? First letter capital, remaining small. Again, first letter capital. What is that name? First and then which one here? Batch like this. My first batch. Next one, camel means what here? First full word, first word, complete lowercase only. Then first batch like this. And here, which one here? My underscore, first underscore batch like this. And you can see here, my underscore hyphen, first hyphen batch like this. Or all of you. So previously, some people asked me one doubt, guys. What is the doubt means? What is the doubt means, sir? Sir, here in case of a snake case, he used all lowercase. My first name. Can you use uppercase also, sir? Any problem? Any error? No error, guys. This is all our choice only. No error. But this is the recommendation. That's all. This is the recommendation. All of you use anyone, no problem. Suppose let's take one example here, all of you. See now, my first name, all lowercase is the right, all lowercase, guys, all of you. Success. Before that, I ask one question. Before showing all the 6 types of this, case styles, I have one question, guys. What is the question means? In Python, out of the 6, one does not support. What is that? Tell me now, guys. Out of the 6, one not supporting in Python. What is that one? Out of this lowercase, uppercase, Pascal case, camel case, snake case, kebab case, out of these all, which one not supporting in Python? Which one not supporting in Python? Tell me now. All of you. Out of these all, in Python, which one not supporting? Tell me, guys. Which one not supporting? Which one not supporting? All of you guys, let me know. All of you. Which one not supporting in Python? Give reply, all of you. Out of these 6, just to think little bit, guys, you can easily say the answer. You know this one also very well. You know very well which one not supporting in Python. Tell me what is that? Tell me what is that, guys? Out of these 6, which one not supporting in Python? Ashok, Kebab Kesar, Dyaneshwar, right? Sanjay, right? Ravi Kumar, that is wrong. Camel case will support. Camel case will support. It will support. The kebab does not support. Kebab does not support. Why? What is the reason? Tell me now. What is the reason, guys? Why it does not support? Why kebab does not support in Python? You are saying the kebab, right? Okay, that's okay. But why? Why it does not support? Any reason, guys? Any reason? Sanjay, Ashok, Gyaneshwar. Why? Why does not support? Vaishali? You reply, guys. Why does not support? Why does not support? Any reason? Any reason? Gyaneswar. Gyaneswar, very good. Because we know identifier does not allow special characters, right? Identifier does not allow special characters. I told you. I told you. So these rules we apply for the identifiers, not for the variable values. Only for identifiers only, not for the values. Values can write anyone, no problem. Okay. Now let's take here. I take all uppercase. My first name equal to Python. Yes. So the value can be anyone, guys. No problem. Right. Next one. See my first name. Which case? Pascal case, right? It's a Pascal case, guys. Yes, supporting. Next, my first name. Which case? This one. Which case? Tell me now. This is what here. Camel case, right? Yes. Next, my underscore first underscore name. Okay, name. Which one? Suppose Python. Yes. The last one is my hyphen first hyphen name equal to Python. See, not supporting, right? All of you. So here now the question is, which one is easy to read, guys? Suppose see, it is a well-known name. My first name, well-known name. Some new name is there. Some new name with the multiple words are there. At that time, which one is easy to understand, easy to read, like lowercase, uppercase, or else these three cases are easy to read. When you have the multiple words, the single name. At that time, this first means upper lower gives is easy to understand. The second part gives easy to understand, easy to read. All of you, tell me now, which part gives easy to read? First part, second part. See these names we know. My first name, this we know. Some unknown name is there. Some lengthy name, unknown name is there. First time you are seeing that name. At that time, for reading purpose, which one makes easy? First part like upper lower, or second part like camel, snake, and this Pascal case. All of you guys give reply. Second part, right, Abhishek? Second part means what? Like Pascal case, camel case, and kebab case, guys. They give, easy to read first of all. That's why in the real time we use these three when it is single. The name contains multiple words. Suppose only one word is there. Suppose only name only one word. At that time, we can use lawyer, right? No problem, guys. Okay. Only one word means lawyer also no problem is there. When you have that name contains multiple words, in that case we follow which one? These three, any one of these three better. That's why if you observe, I also while writing, I also same written, guys, here. If you observe previously, see now my data. Tell me now, guys, this my data which variable, which type? I read the my data, right? Variable name. My data is this a Pascal case, camel case, snake case, camel case. This my data, which case, guys? All of you. This my data, which case? Is it Pascal case, camel case, snake case? And you can observe now, H town, okay, S location, W working location, F location, favorite location. These are all which type, guys, all of you. Right? Camel case, very good. These all are the camel, guys, camel cases. Okay, right. So all of you guys, it's all about which one? Variables under this case styles, guys. And all of you, my request is don't miss the classes today due to small miscommunication, some strength decreased. Okay, but don't miss the classes, guys. Daily come to the class, and This is my request. If you still did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe, guys, and like our videos and share to all your friends also. All of you, because the free classes, right? That's why you can inform your friends also, guys. Okay, so that they can attend the classes, they can learn subject. All of you guys. If you still not subscribed, please, guys, it's my request. Subscribe, okay, and you can turn on the notification also, guys. You get the notification when you start the class. Suppose today some people did not come to the class. Why? I think they did not subscribe. They did not turn the notification. That's why they didn't get the notification that today class started. They like depending on only that link, right? So suddenly link changed due to some problem. They think that okay, today no class is there. Today there is no class. Suppose if they have that subscribed or if they have that notification turned on, then they get notification, right? Compulsorily that class started, class is going on, like that. That's why I am requesting your time, guys. All of you. Right. So fine, guys. All of you, stop it now. Stop it now, and tomorrow we'll go with a new concept, guys. Tomorrow we'll go with a new concept. Thank you all of you, guys. Bye and good night. And one more thing, guys, keep on practice. Keep on practice. Whenever you have a doubt, you can comment this below the video also, guys, in YouTube. You can comment that in the below the video. I can give reply compulsorily. And if you have our number, you can WhatsApp, no problem. Right. Thank you all of you, guys. Bye. And actually, we have one more class, guy. One more meeting is there now. So that meeting is still getting delayed. That's why I take it reviews extra now. Okay.